What's going on, guys? You know what? This is your boy Tyree. And guys, if you're not already, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell so every time I push new videos, you will be notified. So, in today's video, talk to you about a company, food delivery app. Now, this food delivery company will be going out of business next month in August. Shocking. I couldn't believe it. You probably know it. And guys, I want you guys to take a big guess. What food delivery app company is going out of business after several years, on this, being all over, man. Like, they're in New York, Philly. I know they're in several states, but mainly New York. New York gets a lot of hits on this food delivery app, and LA, California. So I want you guys to take a big guess, man. Take a big guess. Well, let me just spill it out for you guys, man. The company is going out of business, has been sold from Doordash. It's Caviar. Caviar is going out of business. It has come to an end. It was bought out for $400 million.
$400 million.
So Caviar is closing up shop. So if you guys in a platform on Caviar, I even said this on many numerous occasions, to be on different platforms. Why? Because you're not just limited one. Now, a company like this going out of business, if you was on one platform, you'll be screwed. Because now in this pandemic, it's a long waiting list. On these food apps. Usually it would take about 2 to 3 weeks. Now it's a long waiting list to get on these apps as it is. And now there won't be like really multi-apping anymore like that, because they're cracking down too. They kind of figuring out like a lot of multi-apping. They taking like, delivery folks are, taking too long with deliveries and stuff like that. So I don't know, but I know from, I know the word in Grubhub now is becoming like Postmates. Now, if you guys work for Postmates or haven't worked for Postmates, I wouldn't suggest that company. The company pays very low out payouts. The payouts on delivery apps, on the food delivery apps, is not the same how it was before. That's why me personally, I haven't done any food delivery apps for quite some time, because of the low payouts. I do a lot of big catering orders, like drive orders. Like, the minimum at the very lowest was $30, $40. Now, and sometimes I get orders like close to $50. Now it's barely any drive orders now. You'd be lucky if you get a drive order, On a rare occasion, maybe a $25 drive order, if that. But other than that, it's not worth it. So, guys, I urge you, I'm going to leave some links below on other apps that you can make money with. This is the grace of God. To him, it wouldn't even be possible, because I'm always figure out new things, of new ways to make money. I even urge you guys, like I said time and time again, to find other ways to make money, because things can dry up very, very quickly now, especially this pandemic. You can get dried up, and now what? How are you gonna make your money? You know what I mean? So it's very important that you find other ways to making money. Very important, guys. So still, take advantage of the links below. It's like I said, it's gonna be a long waiting list, but it's Caviar, man. It's just sad that Caviar had to come down because the competition. What's on top right now? Which are the top popular delivery apps right now? The food delivery apps. You got DoorDash is number 1 now. Before it was Uber Eats. I put Uber Eats maybe number 3, number 4. DoorDash, Grubhub. Those are the 2 top ones. Yeah, I'm with multiple apps, but those are the two top that pays. But now, which one that pays the good payout is Grubhub. Grubhub pays very good. The Grubhub pays $20 orders, and the orders be right down the block. So now, with competitions at all-time high, DoorDash is now like, what companies are not doing well? They're gonna figure out what companies are not doing well, So they came to the conclusion, Caviar, and I didn't think Caviar was gonna budge and sell, so they kept it on the hush hush. But now we know what's going on. And I got the email today. You can check the email image. Yeah. So unfortunately, we're going to close the doors. The app is going to be no longer on August 24th. That's one day before my birthday. The day before my birthday, because my birthday's on the 25th of August. So they're not playing any games. But guys, feel free to leave a comment, man, on of this tragic situation with Caviar, man. So if you guys is just on Caviar, just sign up with DoorDash or Grubhub. Okay. Like I said, I wouldn't recommend Postmates. Postmates is not the same how it was before. And they pay peanuts. When I mean peanuts. So I can't deal with that. So check it, sign up with DoorDash. And guys, leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think of Caviar finally closing their doors and of August 24th, 2020. Which sucks, but DoorDash is gonna be under one platform now, so it's gonna be one unit, so they're gonna be micromanaging like crazy, man, which sucks. But like I said, let's see what happens, man. So guys, man, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, man, and leave the comments, like I said, and peace out. Yeah.